Good afternoon and welcome to Skyward Cars on what promises to be the hottest day of the year. Thus far anyway, it's about 30 degrees, so pretty hot for the UK. Here we have a really nice little Mazda 2. It's the Tamura spec, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, which I believe is the top spec in their range. So this one comes with all the gadgets and gazmos, well, that were applicable back in 2009 when this one was built. This one comes with two previous owners and very good Mazda service history. Let's just check the mileage. 96,119. Start her up. Oh, I do like these engines, so nice, smooth and quiet. Let me pop the bonnet. Might find the lever under there, David. There we go. As people who view our videos will know, we don't believe in tarting them up, but we do check everything. If I can find the bonnet catch. Which is just there. Yeah, absolutely running like a sewing machine. All the fluid levels and everything are correct. Could do with some certainly hoovering out. Someone's been parked near a tree at some stage, but no sign of any oil leaks or anything nasty. Beautiful quiet engine. We go around the body, nice alley wheels. There is some scuffing there, most of which, to be frank, is just surface and will polish out. Wheels aren't badly curbed. Let's have a look in the boot. Nice and clean, should be a spare. Yes, there's the little get you home spare. Jack will be in the cubby hole there. Split fold rear seats. Comes with spare key, locking wheel nut, Mazda 2 carpet, radio obviously working, CD player. Down here I believe, yep, the auxiliary input for MP3, cup holder, 5-speed gearbox. Now I believe, let me just check, this one has an MOT until March 2025. It's had 8 services to 89,000, 6 of which were Mazda. As already noted, it has alloy wheels, CD, central locking, 5-speed gearbox, power steering, aircon, electric windows and mirrors. So what can one add? Drives beautifully, does all that it's meant to do. I think these are Group 11 insurance. I'll have to check the miles per gallon, but there'll be plenty of information in the Auto Trader advert. Loads and loads of pictures as always, and a full PDI, pre-delivery inspection report. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. That's Dave at Skyward Cars. You have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.